that's a good defense from India 11. Fantastic defense.
Figo's Goa 11 was leading by 1-0 at the end of the first half. The second half is just beginning now, and India 11 led by Beto have to get themselves in the game somehow, because this is a very shortened form of football match, and the crowd would love to see more goals coming from either team. But of course, if India 11 scores, that is that much better for Goa 11 than to get themselves on top of their rivals again. So we are all waiting for more goals, and hopefully there will be some. And of course, we all hope that Figo will score one of his majestic free kicks, as he has done for all those years when he was playing for Barcelona, Real Madrid, and of course for Portugal.
And that's a goal by the captain of the Goa 11, Luis Figo!
And there you go, the stadium has come to life with Figo scoring a superb goal. That's it, that was one of people's, what you can say, a dream of people to see Figo score a goal during his first ever visit to Goa and playing at this Fatorda Stadium. And that's their dream has come true. Basically, people have seen Figo playing in front of their eyes live, and of course scoring a goal. We have here with us now the team from Scottish High International School from Gurgaon.
YCL has done a very good job. They have provided a platform for the participants to perform and to know what they have learned, what their coach has taught. So hats off to YCL. They have done a really great job.
Okay. And how did your team fare in this tournament? Which all categories did you all participate?
We participated in two categories, under 14 and 12. And under 12, we are the champion. Whole tournament we conceive only one goal, and 64 goal, we 60, 50, 53 3 goals we do. Okay, so we are the under 12 champion. Part of winning losing doesn't matter. But this age group is a very good platform to perform. Our school soccer motto is
our performance depends on our behavior.
That's all football and education is all about, to make really good citizens.
Football is a life. Football is a life. If you want to collect whole world one place, only through football.
So boys, do you like Luis Figo?
Yes!
Have you all seen him play?
Yes!
Not now, but before, when he was playing.
Yes!
Which clubs did he play for?
Real Madrid, Inter Milan, Inter Milan.
The Sargaonkar Football Club has always been known as one of the nursery for talented players in Goa, and we have Sargaonkar coach, juniors coach with us, Agustin Antao. How was your experience in the Youth Champions League?
In fact, my boys got an exposure to play with some India teams and all. But till the semi-final, the standard was not that good. But semi-final onwards was good. Anyhow, we got a privilege to see Figo on our Nehru Stadium. That was a great thing these boys were waiting for.
Watching Luis Figo play at Nehru Stadium.
That's we were waiting for. Someone, a great player like Figo playing on our Nehru Stadium. That's a great thing, which these boys have never seen him playing. But at least we have seen him playing. So it's a great honor to watch him over here. Yeah.
Okay, boys, you all love Luis Figo? The highly anticipated match between Luis Figo's Goa and India 11 of Beto has just come to an end. It was more than a match, it was a very big occasion as a big player, a big celebrity like Figo coming to Goa for the first time ever. At least for my generation, Figo is the biggest ever celebrity to have come to Goa and play football. The match has ended here, 4-1 in favor of Luis Figo's Goa 11, and the fireworks have set aloud, and there are people are just on their feet and giving a standing ovation to one of the legends of football, Luis Figo.
Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up for football. I need the band voices in the monitors. Yeehaw! Let's score a goal in lovely goal. Come score a goal in awesome goal. Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up for football. My guitar's going on and off. When you stand and when you fall, let your heart fly high above. Running, skipping, leaping, ripping, the highest natural high. When you stand and when you fall, all for one and one for all. Whether you're winning or whether you're losing, play. One in a million, talented Indian play. Hooray! Come score a goal in lovely goal. Come watch a goal in awesome goal. Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up for football, percussion. Shine your light, you are the champions. 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 Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up, make it your profession. Stand up for your passion. Stand up for football, 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 football.
And that's all we have on the show. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have enjoyed this program. We'll be back next week. Till then, keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.